So we are doing the exhaust on the Civic, currently under the car with the dangly doodly.
Trying to get this awkward one.
It's not a bad kind of setup with the standard exhaust system.
Well, at least it's dual.
Ah.
The M2 I'm putting on single.
Is it?
Yeah.
What?
Banter. No, apparently singles are better flow.
Oh, fair enough.
Ooh.
So you're going to have two holes, but one's actually got nothing coming out.
One will be completely redundant.
What's the point in that?
Banter.
Fair enough.
Come on.
Do you want some brake fluid, brake cleaner? WD-40?
I think I could probably do some grips.
I've got some WD-40.
I've got WD as well, mate.
You know that that jack stand's doing absolute dickle?
No, I know. It's only there for my protection.
Brilliant. Look at his little light on top of his hat as well. Oh shit. At least you got some decent saps.
Here's my tip.
Oh my god. Shove that straight on me.
So, let's just put that back in.
They're metal tips.
These are metal, yeah.
Fair enough. So the middle box to the rear section was held on with how many bolts?
One. Paul, do you want to get that hanger out there?
If I can, I'll give it a go. I can't do it with one hand. Let me get two hands on it, hold on. Let me put the camera down. Underneath the car there isn't a lot of ground clearance. And where the back box sits in this little section here, no matter how hard you try, because it used over the rear torsion bar, it's then hitting the back of the rear shield, heat shield. So you have to get the car physically as high as you possibly can to be able to rotate the exhaust down and back. I know back because you're bringing it out forward, but down and back so you can get that U shape that goes over the torsion bar out, and then the exhaust just slides over the torsion bar and then it comes out, which we've got
Baz,
right here.
can I have a 17 please?
Hold up, Sonny Jim.
Yeah, I want that whole thing.
Coming your way.
Yeah. I know the 17's different because it's the only one I've had to replace.
So now all we have to do is get the three, I think it's 3 bolts or
3 bolts.
3 bolts that go to the catalytic converter off, and then that middle section comes off. Then we can start putting the new one back on.
Dead.
Breaker bar.
No, just give me a socket.
A ratchet.
Yeah.
Same set we've had for like 4 years. Extension.
Got it. I've got the little one here.
Yeah, middle section off, and then we can begin to.
Yeah, might have to drop it and jack up the front.
Put the new one on. This is what it's come to.
That's got it.
Oh shit. There we go, look at that. Can't get a breaker bar under the car because we don't own a ramp. So you get a hammer on it. That's 1 out of 3. Oh, brilliant. Oh shit. 2 out of 3 bolts. Last bolt. It's super tight.
It's super tight.
Other 2 came off nice. This one's a biatch.
It's definitely cross-threaded.
The Agger Dog is dead.
Oh, the Agger Dog's dead, yeah. It's on charge.
Oh, it's coming. That is the most unpleasant sound.
In it.
Oh. You got new gaskets and everything?
Yeah, I've got new everything.
Definitely coming. Unpleasant sound. There it goes. Oh. There we go. Right, now we can take it off. And then get this entire middle section off. Quick intermission for a couple of minutes. Some new grinding discs and cutting discs because the bolts on the Civic are fucking welded on. I don't even know if you can hear me. But yeah, we're gonna get them off. So when nothing else works, resort to a grinder.
Yep. Obviously everything that I'm going to get for this car will be supplied by Matt at Tactical Racing. And yeah, he recommended the M2. I've never ever bought anything M2 before, so
it's M2 full catback system.
This is it's an M2 full catback, yeah. So this exhaust actually comes in 2 pieces. So you've got to order the midsection and the back box separately, which was bizarre. But yeah, hopefully it all goes together fairly.
You want to put the other bolt that you've put in round the other way?
Yeah.
Because you won't be able to get a socket on that.
Will I not?
No. You'll be able to get a spanner on the other end.
Oh.
Oh, fuck's sake,
Oh,
Ollie.
come on. How the fuck did I get that in there?
That's why I just said you won't be able to get a spanner on it after you put it in.
It went in there.
I don't know. Push it, angle it up and down. Oh, I don't know, mate. This is a minute now, watching you trying to get one bolt out that you put in by mistake. So yeah, make sure you put your bolts in around the right way.
Well, there is no right or wrong way.
And then you can loosely put the whole entire exhaust together, because you don't want to do anything up tight initially until you've got it all together to make sure the fitment's nice.
Right.
So we're going to loosely bolt all of these bolts into the cat, get all the gaskets in, get all the hangers on, and then work our way back to the back box. And then yeah, getting our way there. The back box and the mid box are now in. He's just doing up the bolts between the, we're trying to get the gasket and the bolts between the mid box and the rear box. As you can see, it comes all the way from the cap down to the midsection. Midsection's 2-piece. Comes into the, and up and over the torsion bar. There, you can't really see it, but there it is. Comes up and over the torsion bar in a U-shape kind of thing. And then comes along here.
Yeah, all the clearances and everything look actually mint. Like, I can't see myself having any issues with scraping or rattling on anything.
Oh no, it's right up in there. It's not like the Skunk 2.
Definitely not like
hitting the ground.
Mate, the Skunk 2 hit everything it could.
Yeah, it's not actually too bad. The fitment's perfect on this exhaust. And the welds are all good and it's shiny.
Paul,
Yeah.
can you lift that up a bit?
How do you mean lift it up?
Lift your end.
Okay, hold on. The creme de la creme, the rear tailpipe. This exhaust converts it from a twin exit to a single exit for better flow, apparently, according to
Yeah,
Master
apparently single's better than true dual. So
we're going to get the rear section in there. Just comes out this side. Underneath we have all of the bolts done up, All of the gaskets in nice and tight. Back section's done. Sitting in there. So let's give it its first awnings.
Ready?
Yeah, boy. She's alive. Not too bad, to be honest. Definitely louder.
It's a lot louder.
Stinks as well. Oh, it's not bad. Yeah, can't complain at that. Just going to check underneath now for exhaust leaks and such. Tidying up the abundance of tools we used to get the other exhaust off. Gonna give it a wee cheeky rattle. Not too shabby. Oh, it stinks. Not too shabby. Not stupidly loud. It's not stupidly quiet. It's nice. It's a nice in between.
It's not bad.
I like it.
Sounded pretty nice from the front.